dry. I done shed so many tears, it's getting hard to cry. I done thumbed through so much money, it's down that hard to lie. My heart too big to hide. Sad to say it's getting colder. Gave what I can give, it's good to say I'm getting older. Bro, I don't like to feel alone, but you can leave. I know the time, you screaming it ain't over till it's over. But it's over now, you heard it out for me. I be in the post, not the type to post, you the type to post. I did you wrong, got me wrong. If I switch coast, I just went ghost. Money long, could've went ghost. Ain't kinda figured out yet, I'm just paying my bills. I think this how it's supposed to be, I don't even know where I live. And that's you close to me, my guard up, you know how that is. Steady running off of fumes, and Lord know how I get. Screaming up and down the cup, and I don't know if I quit. They say you live and you learn. Okay, you spend on folks' money and put away what you earn. If you load that fully up, you better know that he burn. These youngins living real life, it ain't that hard to die, you know. It ain't too hard to try. But shed so many tears, it's getting hard to cry. I done thumbed through so much money, it's down that hard to lie. My heart too big to hide. It's sad to say it's
YouTube. What's poppin'? So I'm up here washing my car. I'm washing my car, and I'm about to put I got 2 stickers. Can I get them without looking? Well, I got one. I got a sticker right here. Let me make sure this camera right. All right. Yeah, I got this sticker. If you can't read it, it says faith over fear. I'm still thinking about where I'm gonna put it. Well, actually, I'm gonna put it right there. See, I got 2. So I think I'm gonna put one like right there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one. I was thinking about putting it on this back window right here. Like, I don't really roll that window down that much, but we gonna do that on the way to the house. A little fiend behind me, what they want? See what type of turn they on. It's a turn, but I ain't turning. I got somebody right there. Fiend wanna play? Got 0.5 miles to see what you talking about. If it's a girl, she is not playing. Uh-oh, uh-oh. They speeding up. Uh-oh. We got action. Man, I thought he was gonna hit the brakes so loud. Well, he did. He eventually hit the brakes. I was about to go cut right there. Hey, buddy, I need to get over. No way. No. Well, damn. This little dumb Honda I want to play. I'm not going that way, because I ain't getting on no expressway. And it's a toll. I'm not doing that.
the night. Turn your phone off, you ain't texting the night. Police to the left, so I just made a right.
Oh, you hit the brakes.
Drink with the ice, perks for the night. She gon' fuck me more than one time, it's a white. And they love you was wrong, they were long. Never gotta be right. Up on my sleeve, right? I had to correct all the mistakes so you can be right. I had to go give you your little space to let you breathe right. Them hoes don't matter, bitch, they just need light. Ready, set, go, green light. Asking you about another nigga, just don't see it right. I did you wrong, but I ain't try to, cause I mean right. Cross the line.
Bye, nigga. You can't make that cut. Sorry. You hear that fan? Bye, nigga.
It's 2 o'clock, and you don't understand. I'm trying to beat the odds. I was the one up in my family, the one who most likely to be a shit star. Niggas turn when they got dollars. Cause they black as on. Shit ain't never gon' go right. Don't get you thinking wrong. Some double cups, they white. But what you drinking on? I been in that shit all my life, but I can't live alone. I don't go nowhere without my pipe. I just can't live out my pill. How you breathing? It ain't right. You breathe, but I ain't wanna put them hit them with that. Let's breathe, no. Diamond in the rough, that mean I'm showing.
I see you, Finn, trying to come back. I see you. Come on, man. Come on.
Why you gotta tell me tryna fuck me? I'm a
Let's play, Blade. Let's go.
about real she want.
I was gonna do it and dope, but I'm gonna let them catch up. See what they talking about.
For my brothers that want to hear, don't sound things I can't do.
How you on the opposite side of the road on the shoulder? I'm so confused.
In the truck, we put them in the blood and smoke his ass on the way. I don't fuck with niggas when you know what they are. But now it's out the wild to peace. Pull up and then I bought a Hellcat. I'm on the hill, I'm trying to keep all the receipts. Because I need to get your love back. I ain't my niggas to the hood, got slide up in the rain. Like, I keep your niggas, baby girl, it's the same spot. I still out in the rain, but I'm still in the rain.
No break.
Back, she told me stay in the same spot. Niggas think they hot shit, but watch what move out. Okay, I'm like 2K, ballin' every day, bitch keep playing, I cannot complain, practically I'm famous, I stay out the way, I be stay the same, making planes, I be rocking stages, you know I'm paid, I've been paid ever since I made it, I know they hate, I like great, shit damn amazing, just know I'm straight, I stay in the clouds, I ain't looking down, knock me down, hard lost the pound, hit me if you found it. Cash rules after I'm in a way around it, shit ain't about to climb, it's the mountain, I feel like a game, currency for the pain, it's a one day, I did a buck, I did ride for everything, my daily carry money, and all my cosmetic, she don't wanna drink no more, cause all my cups muddy, I don't wanna drink no more, this shit costs money, but I feel like,
They trying to keep up so bad. It's crazy. I'm done though. I'm trying to think of a place I can put my stickers on. I ain't trying to be fooling around with you hooligans. You're a hooligan. You're a hooligan. Oh man, that just, I don't know why that just made me remember, but I had this idea that I want to start. The hell you doing, buddy? Yeah, I was thinking about putting Amazon gift card codes like in my video. Of course I'm not, I said I was gonna turn the fan off. Of course I'm not gonna I'm probably do it like I'd probably like, okay, do it this video and then another video, then another video, then do it again. But not like every video it will be Amazon gift card code in, or any type of gift card. I don't know. Whatever I feel like people like, that's universal, that can be used around the board. Probably start small, but eventually I'm gonna start making it larger. Like, just imagine. Literally, all you got to do is watch the video, and then boom, I mean, of course it's gonna be first come, first serve. Let's get that out of the way. First come, I know exactly where I'm finna put these stickers on that. But of course it's gonna be first come, first serve. But still, the first person is like the first person to watch the video. I mean, you're not gonna know when and where exactly the code is gonna pop up. So the first person that watched the video, they can watch the video, but could just have clicked off and didn't get to the part with the code. But yeah, man, it was just a thought. I think I want to do it though. I like that idea, because it's like, bro, we already almost at 70 subscribers. Like, come on. This is crazy. Like, bro, 70? I was just at 25, 30. We at 70. Man, look. Bro, I can't tell you. I can't even express how happy and excited I am. It's like words. Happy and excited don't do it. I'm at 70 subscribers already. Like, come on, man. But I'm gonna be putting these on the car. Let's go. I think I like this. And that's where it's going. That's where it's going. Where is the other one going? What y'all thinking? What about? Nah, because I already got one on this side. Now look, he gotta put this on like this side of the car. It's upside down, stupid. Oh, right here. Nah. Oh, right here. Now look. Then I definitely will have to center it. Okay. Like right here. Right there. No, don't blow it, don't blow it, you mother trucker. I see something, boo. Is that the middle? No, it needs to be over just a little. Well, thanks for bringing it to me, you know? That was nice. And my hands been cold. What is going on? Because it's cold outside, maybe. Duh. How many people y'all think that looked at me when I'm doing this? I think I'm still pushing it over too far. Let's do it. Hopefully I center it the first time. Please. Please. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bro, what if I get on the hood? I got to. You gotta do what you gotta do. I need to hurry up before somebody come and see me up there. Up too late. Car coming. I hear their car coming. Damn, is it centered? Fuck it. It's centered. I believe it. I got faith. Ironically. They looking at me crazy. There's a car right there. Don't cause an accident. What would be the odds if I get an accident caught on camera? You're like, what are you doing on top of your car, buddy? And shit, y'all was waiting at me. Let's see, man. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That shit hard. Oh, that shit hard. That shit hard. That shit hard. Let's see, is it in the middle, though? It's good enough. All right, take the back off. Take the back off. Take the back off. Take the back off. No! What the hell going on? Okay, slowly. Slowly. Yep, boy. With that being said, man, I love y'all. My hands are cold. We gone.